Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time I'm posting my video. You're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more amazing videos. My returning thank you and God bless you for always tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be making carrot cream, glowing skin oil. So in my second channel, I made oil a few months ago, which is Golden Lady TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, please click on that channel and you will love what I'm doing there. So I made that video last few months ago, which is early of this year, 2021. I make oil of carrot oil, but I did not add lime. This one is just another one. I'm adding lime on this because the one I made last time was very many, and I've just finished it now, and it's really nice, guys. It's really nice. Try this, you will thank me later. So in today now I scrub the carrot already, and this is what I use. I scrub it already. Now I will be scrubbing the lime. I'm going to be using 2 lime. The back of it I'm going to be using. The one I cooked last time is I do it in the gas with oil, but now I'm going to be putting water. Just watch what I'm going to be doing now. Is a little bit different method, the one I'm going to be doing right now, and you will like it, guys. This oil is good for dry skin. It makes skin very light and it makes skin glow. It's a really nice, because I'll be buying oil from the pharmacy, but since I tried this, I have never go back there again to buy oil, because I see that this one is awesome for me. It's very nice. So let's get into the video, guys. Here we have my oil, the one I'm going to use. I use oil extra virgin. So keep washing. Here is my lime. I just scrub it. This is the 2 lime after scrubbing it. With what I showed you before, this is what I use. So now I'll be handling the gas. Sorry for the noise. I will just add my water. I had my water already. Then I will let the water boil. So later I will be adding the carrot and the lime together with the oil inside the pot. Putting everything here. I'm going to put the carrot here. Okay, now come to the lime inside. Okay, as you can see now, I will be adding the oil inside. I'm going to leave this for 30 minutes here. After 30 minutes, then I will add this. I will add it in the water, the boiling water. Next video I will be making coconut oil for skin as well. I'm just doing it this way so that everything will get inside. Okay, the water have already boiled. I have to leave it for good 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes I'm leaving this here. So after 30 to 40 minutes, then I will remove it. Then I will show you the result later. Okay, we'll leave it for 30 minutes here with the boiling water. Let's 30 minutes, we'll remove it. I forgot to say it. I removed that rubber I used before because it was not enough. It was not big enough, so I have to change it into this rubber. Okay, I have to leave it for at least 4 hours, and I will be covering it. Then, okay, I will leave it for 4 hours. Then I will show you the result later. I just leave it for good 4 hours. As you can see, now I will be removing, filtering it. Now I will be filtering it. Here is the oil. Then now I will be taking this off. Putting this here. Try and use this oil, then we'll see how your skin will be glowing. Okay guys, let me show you how the oil, let me show you how it, as you can see, if you have a dry skin oil, you see it, see, the oil is a very nice one. You see it will brighten your skin. When you try this for 2 weeks or 1 month, you will see the color you would have. This is my video for today guys. Try and make it yourself. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to give a thumbs up. This is the one I bring out from the oil, and